Assalamu alaikum. And hello YouTubers. Pro 2 is here. Today I want to change my Yamaha Lagenda bulb. One of the bulb already burn. And both don't have low light. It's a simple DIY. So, let's go. I will change both of them. 6 screw we need to release, 2 screw on the top. And the rest are at the bottom. Now, we can pull out the headlamp. Pull this rubber out. Then press and twist the connector. We can take out the bulb. Burn mark at the bulb. Take alert at this hole. There is a pin at the bulb. This pin will make sure the bulb stay at one place. To put back the connector, as usual, press and twist. And put back the rubber. This rubber will make sure the water don't get inside the headlamp. Same process for the second bulb. Let's test it before we install back the headlamp. So far, so good. Almost done here. Put back all the 6 screw. And we done here. Congratulations! You just install a new bulb for your Lagenda. Use this information at your own risk. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of any tools and equipment, or from the information contained in this video, the user must take responsibility. If you think this video helpful for you, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. May the force be with you. Pro to DIY.